5:40. Open day here in Texas. I'm finished getting dressed. Justin and I are gonna go sit on the edge of one of his oak patches and see what comes in to eat this morning. Finished getting dressed, finished getting everything ready. I'm gonna head out, catch up with y'all when the sun comes up.
She's still up on the hill. Yeah, she's walking like dead across. From right to left. Left to right. She's behind these trees over here. Oh, that's a bug.
Where?
Calm down. He's up on the hillside. He's eating on that cedar bush, Justin. You're not gonna fucking see him sitting where you're at. Where? Like dead in front of me, bro. On the hillside. Yeah, he's coming down towards us. I know you don't, because you're fucking sitting down. What? Yes. Quit moving, he's looking at us. Justin, you can't see, I can barely see him. He's coming down the hill. I don't know, I can't tell. Justin's headed to the front to try to shoot his trophy buck. I'm gonna walk off over here to see that hill behind me. We were watching two nubbin buck battle it out up there on the hillside a second ago. So I'm gonna make my way up to the hill. See if I can get up there and get a good vantage point. I can't tell if these guys on the hill are those spikes that weren't fighting, or if they're down. There's two on the hillside. I can't tell if those were spikes. So there's a spike and doe up on this hill over here. You can tell if it was two doe or not. I'm sorry, it's two spikes. Yeah, I can't remember what I said. Yeah, it's two spikes. That one may have been a doe, but it's not. So we'll keep looking. Alright, so I'm sitting up here and I got some turkeys coming in. One of them's a Tom with a nice beard. hammered his ass. Let's go. Let's go pick us up a turkey. Come back out and do some more deer hunting. Let's see before I walk down there. $3.75, hammered turkey. Let's go pick his ass up. He's got a beard. I mean, it's pretty long. I can see it from here, from almost 400 yards away, so must be a pretty good size one. Let's go get him cleaned up, throw him in the cooler, come back out, do some more deer hunting. I figured you probably wouldn't believe me on how far he was, so I figured I'd take you a video and send it to you. So here I am sitting on the side of the hill that I was glassing. And if I can find it, there's the oat patch. And he is right in front of that tree line right there. And I'm way up here. Figured I would send that to you so you wouldn't think I was bullshitting. Literally straight behind me, he was probably about 10 yards further to my right, facing away from me. Hit him right here, right in the back of the neck. 270, 374 yards. I mean, just look at how just beautiful his feathers are. Look at this guy. Nice spurs too. Not you know, good size spurs. So let's go get them cleaned up, get them in the cooler, and come back out, hunt some more deer. Alright, so we got the turkey loaded into the meat shelf on my pack. Should be easier to carry it back to camp that way. Carrying back. Nice Tom. Beard like 6 inches long. Justin and his buddies went out to go try to shoot a doe before they leave to go back to College Station. But I think I'm gonna grab a little lunch or a little snack before I head back out.